The weapons used by Indian Air Force at its target in Balakot, about 60 km from the line of control, were Israeli-developed Spice 2000. SPICE stands for Smart, Precise, Impact, Cost-Effective, and this bomb has electro-optics GPS-guided guidance kit for converting an air-droppable unguided bombs into precision-guided bombs. The bomb comes from a family of standoff air-to-ground weapon systems. The SPICE is a product of Israeli company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, and it achieved the initial operation capability during 2003 in Israel's Air Force F-16 squadrons. The SPICE 2000 is biggest conventional bomb that was delivered by Indian Air Force using the French origin Mirage 2000 jets. On Feb 26, 2019, Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 jets fired several thousand kilograms of SPICE 2000 bombs into terrorist training camps in Pakistan. SPICE has a very long glide range of about 60 kilometers. This allows a striking aircraft to release a bomb at a target without entering the threat envelope of most short and medium range air defense systems. This is achieved while saving the higher costs associated with the propelled munitions. In order to further strengthen its capability to hit ground targets, India is planning to acquire a lethal and more capable version of SPICE 2000 bombs. This procurement of more SPICE 2000 bombs is going to be under the emergency procurement powers granted to these services. The armed forces were granted financial power after the Uri terror attack and the Balakot airstrike against Pakistan. Under this financial power, the armed forces can buy any weapon system under Rs 500 crores. And this is the source using which the Indian Air Force is planning to acquire more SPICE 2000 bombs from Israel. The SPICE 2000 version used in Balakot airstrikes could penetrate into hardened shelters and buildings and cause destructions inside. And the new variant to be inducted in the force can also destroy bunkers and hardened shelters. The main disadvantage of the SPICE ammunition is its high cost relative to GPS-guided munitions. Although many air-to-ground scenarios may indeed require an electro-optic guidance option, but many others do not, and which can be completed successfully while using just the GPS guidance kits. So that was all about India's planning to buy more SPICE 2000 bombs from Israel. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.